Slowly breathe yourself back into this room, bringing back all the love, all the warmth that you felt inside your mom's womb. Thank you so much. How are you guys feeling?
Thank you, Anu.
Very good.
You don't have to thank me. That's our beautiful Dr. Archana. And something she said today morning that really touched my heart. My mom-in-law was more than my mom will ever be. That's a very big compliment for the lady who's gone.
I was speaking just 2 minutes before the login, and she was missing her. I told she was lucky to have a daughter-in-law like you.
Yeah.
2 minute login से पहले हम लोग ये WhatsApp पे थे. But it's hats off to her. She's joined the session.
She's joined it for
Wonderful
you.
participant.
I really request everybody to mute themselves. Please, please, please.
Vedo sento solo io.
Okay. The good news is that we complete 150 sessions today.
Io non sento qua. Qua non sento.
Madam Sandra, I'm trying to mute you. Do not unmute yourself, please. Thank you. So we will be completing 152 sessions today, actually. And that for me is a big one because I never thought we'd complete anything. I wasn't in the number game. And we will be completing 77 Kaudi sessions today. That's hats off to Vinayfa.
Wow.
Yes.
Congratulations, Anu. Vinayfa, great job. Congratulations and thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody, because this couldn't have happened without all of you. And for the first time, truly, I understand what it means when you do something for others and when you do something only for yourself. The reward is much bigger and it's of a different quality. You have to experience it. You can't say it and complete it. So I really thank each and every one of you for being here, for being supportive, for holding each other, because this is what this forum is made for. So my first speaker that comes right now is Aarti. Are you going to come first or should Vinayfa come first? Aarti?
Anything. I'm okay with going later also.
Anu,
Okay.
let me finish.
Please,
first.
please,
I have to
please,
rush today. Sorry.
No problem. Okay, so let's start with our first speaker, Kavita. Can you please do Kaudis for her?
Yes.
Kaudis for Kavita. Do you have any questions? And I request each one of you, if you haven't still got the message, to please go inside your houses and search for a mirror and bring it, because Kavita is going to be doing exercises with the mirror, a looking mirror. Okay. So I give you 3 minutes. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Go ahead. Go pick up mirror. You're not running anywhere, and get it so that you have a mirror right in front of you. Well, I have a TV screen right in front of me. There's no way I can miss it. That's my mirror.
I'm ready with the mirror.
Wonderful. So let's do reading for Kavita. Kavita, koi sawal? Any question?
No, nothing.
Nothing. Hi, Kavita. How are you?
Hi, how are you? Good.
Good, good. Good to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you too.
Thank you. Okay. So Kavita, for you, I'm getting a lot is happening in the family where you don't know what to do at times. Okay, and it's only your intuition and your soul that has brought you out of everything, and it's like your inner happiness has to come out. So that and your intuition are the two things that are taking you through everything right now.
Thank you.
So be with that, be with your inner happiness, be with your intuition, and that is going to take you on a wonderful journey. So change your perspective about a few things, how you look at life, how you look at your family. You're getting certain messages, so don't ignore those messages. Work with your intuition, and it's like there is an abundance waiting for you.
Okay. Thank you.
So just change your perspective for a few things as regards to the family, and somewhere just let it go. Maybe you've held on too much within you.
Okay.
So, it needs an outlet. It needs an outburst maybe somewhere.
Okay.
So
Thank
let it
you.
out and everything will be good. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Let's go to the next speaker, and Cowdies for next speaker, Aarti.
Yes. Aarti, any questions?
I love it that people's cameras are on today. I love you guys for keeping that on. It feels so much more interactive. Thank you.
Aarti, for you, I'm getting whatever issues were there with family is moving away. A very beautiful time is coming for you. So what you need to do is you need to continue what you're doing as far as chanting is concerned, or any meditative process or any protective process that you're doing for yourself. Continue with that and just try and focus a little more than what you're already doing. And maybe somewhere again you've blocked your receiving, so just try and open up that, which will happen. It will slowly you will get what you need to do. So it's pretty interconnected. The money and the receiving today that I'm getting is very interconnected. So the minute your receiving opens, your money is going to start flowing in very easily. So just do that and things will be great for you. But do remember the protection part. It's you just need to work on that a little more.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. I need you to please read for our beautiful lady from Paranormal Experiences, Kiran Gupta.
Yes.
Sophia.
Hi, Dr. Kiran.
Good evening, Binifa. One reading from me for you, okay? As we begin the session.
Thank you.
That would be
Keep your hair
brilliant.
open. Please keep your hair open. It looks really lovely.
Thank you. Thank you.
You just scrunch it up sides. This looks lovely. It's really nice. Now, what are you going to tell me today?
Okay.
Everything else other than her hair, okay?
Yeah. What's in store for me over the next week or so? Let's see.
So for you, a lot of karmic clearing is happening. Whatever is not required is just moving out of your system, of your aura. So accept that, work with that. A good flow, a good energy is coming, reuniting you maybe with family, increasing the awareness of what is required with family. So that is a new awareness that is coming. And again, receiving is opening up to you. So just focus on these two things, and it's going to be like the couple of months at least are going to be good for you.
Lovely. Thank you so much,
Thank
Binifa.
you.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Let's do one
Thank you so
reading
much.
for Dr. Archana, because she's been through a lot in last 2 days. Despite that, she's sitting here. It's not easy.
Dr. Archana, any questions or just a general?
I'll give you a question for her.
Okay.
She was saying कि मैं अब बड़ी हो गई हूँ. Now I've become big of the family. I'm the one who needs to hold the family. Does she really need to do that?
No, very strangely, all the Cowries have just gathered around two places, and that is the family and change your perspective. So you need to flow with the family, but you don't need to be the wall that's holding it together.
Okay, thank you.
Just be with them. That's more than enough.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wonderful. I would say, could you read for Sandra, because she's our new guest?
Yes.
Thank you.
Can you hear
Any
me?
questions?
Yes, I can
Yes,
hear you.
Can you
yes.
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I wanted to know because, you know, like I told Dr. Kiran that I usually can see things which other people cannot see. I talk, I communicate, but when I need them, they don't help me. Why? It's only for others. It's only for others, not for myself. Hello?
Vinaifa, you're there?
Yeah, did you hear me?
I think Vinaifa has network issues. No, she's there.
I'm here, Anu. I'm here.
Okay. Yeah, she could hear you.
See, it's you are meant to help them right now because their connection with their family is completely cut off. Connection with family, connection with their roots is cut off. So right now you are just meant to be there for them and help them. Maybe there will be a time in the near future where you will get help from them, but right now it's not the time. So there is still some time for you to receive their help, but right now it is time for you to help them.
How long? It's been 53 years I'm helping.
uh, there is for the time frame I'll have to ask another question, but as of now it's still not the time.
Okay, wonderful. Let's go to the next person. Raksha is saying that there is some dispute going on and they are facing when will this drama come to an end, a property dispute.
Okay.
We have our beautiful Kazuyu over here from Japan, from California.
Okay, it's gonna take time, at least another 6 to 8 months. It's looking very tough, but 6 to 8 months definitely it's gonna drag.
Wonderful. I want to say let's run, but I feel that there is one more person who needs reading, and so I'm just going to intuitively go with that. Vijay, can we do reading for Vijay?
Sure. Any questions?
Vijay, you have any questions?
For me?
Yes.
ठीक है, एक बहुत पहले पैसा किसी को दिया हुआ था, बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट।
हाँ।
अभी आपने बोल ही दिया है तो मैंने बोला चलो पूछ लेता हूँ मैं भी। तो इट वाज अ रिलेटिव एंड
हम आपकी शक्ल देख सकते हैं सर जी?
दिख रहा हूँ?
हाँ जी। हाँ जी।
मैं तो ऐसे ही बैठा था, मैंने बोला आज काश मैं पूछ लूं कुछ, लेकिन क्या पूछूं? अच्छा हुआ आपने पूछ लिया।
अच्छा लगा, ऐसे लगा मुझे कि as if you need a reading. Yes.
कनेक्शन तो है कहीं ना कहीं टेलीपैथिकली। सो एक अमाउंट दिया हुआ है रिलेटिव को एंड दैट गाय इज नॉट देयर राइट नाउ, मतलब अभी उसके बच्चे ही हैं। दे हैव रिसीव्ड द अमाउंट, तो विल दे गिव और इफ दे विल गिव व्हेन?
ओके, वंडरफुल।
कोई डिस्प्यूट नहीं है, प्यार मोहब्बत से ही दिया हुआ है, तो अगर मिल जाए तो काफी अच्छा, नहीं हो तो जय श्री राम।
Okay.
So he's saying he's got some money that's got stuck. He's not,
Yes.
There's no dispute, but he would like to know if it's possible to get it. If he gets it, brilliant. If he doesn't, then he'll just feel he's given it as a donation. Hi.
Mr. Vijay, it's showing 6 to 8 months still, and you will really have to be very persuasive about it.
I have to ask for it?
You'll have to ask for it.
नहीं, वो तो अपने से होता नहीं। क्लाइंट नहीं मांगते तो इससे क्या मांगेंगे? एनीवे, और एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, एक मैंने प्रॉपर्टी खरीदा है उसमें 2 फ्लैट्स के बीच में एक स्पेस होता है, जो पहले खरीदता है ना वो उसको स्पेस मिल जाती है, ठीक है। नाउ इतने 3-4 सालों के बाद में जाके बाजू वाला फ्लैट बिका है, बट आई वांट दैट स्पेस टू बी विथ मी, है ना। तो उसका क्या होगा, वो मेरे पास ही रहेगा वो स्पेस, या आई हैव टू गिव हाफ, वो मेरे को चाहिए।
There's no answer. All of
No
them have
answer only, no?
just, yeah, all of them have
Because
come.
Sai Baba last time told me when I was sitting in the meditation film कि I will take care of it. तो मैं
Okay.
इसलिए ये सवाल पूछना नहीं चाहता था, पर अनुज जी ने आज बोला कि पूछ लो, तो मैंने बोला चलो ठीक है.
Yeah.
So maybe those gurus doesn't want the answer to come. They only will
Yeah.
take care of it.
Yes.
Thank
Maybe.
you, Banaifa. You are
Thank you
amazing.
so much. Thank you so
It is
much.
Thank you,
amazing.
Anuj ji, for
Thank you, Ji.
helping me today with this.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
For the whole group, Binaifa, and then
Yes.
go to Aarti. Really, really thankful for your commitment and persistence.
Thank you, Anuj. So all of us are still like, we are all like lost souls. We don't know what to do. We don't know where to go. We want money, but it's not coming. So we are still feeling very trapped in our own selves, in our own bodies. So we need to just release ourselves from the mental bondage. So once that happens, a lot will shift for everyone. And we definitely need to protect ourselves more, and we need to move towards spirituality to just be sane for the next few months. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And every time I come very close to saying we've done 150 and I don't need to go any further, and we'll do only till August. And that was the thought pattern in the morning. And then I speak to Archana and I said, now I know. It felt so funny. Archana kept pushing into my head, and I said, she's calling me. Either I need to put her on a speaker spot or something is going on. And then I connect with her and she says, this is what has happened. And that's when it strikes me that I'm not doing this. So let me put it like this. I'm doing this because I don't know who's crying. And it's impossible to reach everyone. So this is a very small attempt of 2 hours of donating my time every day so that we can be all in a happy place, including me. I also feel very happy connecting with each and every one of you. So I really need to say thank you again to each and every one of you here.
Anuji, sorry to disturb you,
Hanji.
but day before yesterday, after my session, when you said how was it, Vijay, तो उसके बाद में मैं meditation पे mostly बैठ जाता हूँ रात में. तो I got this intuition कि अभी तो आपकी शुरुआत हुई है. ये सेशन तो अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है. अब बहुत सारे ascended masters अलग अलग लोगों के थ्रू चैनलिंग करके हमारे ये ग्रुप में ऐड होने वाले हैं. तो अब चलेगा कि क्या होने वाला है. We will be receiving more and more.
Sorry, I did not understand a word. So if you could please speak English.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm saying थोड़ा English चलेगा ना?
He's saying that 2 days back he was sitting in a meditation and he got an intuit and in the meditation that we shouldn't be stopping this forum, and there are going to be many ascending masters who are going to be speaking through this forum. And
very good. Thank you. Very good. Thank you.
To the people, ma'am, such people will be, such ascended masters will be giving us divine messages to the people. Those messages will be channeled through the people, through the spiritual seekers or healers or whatever they are. So those messages will be channeled from time to time to all the people who are continuously with Anuji, and she is being blessed with many holy masters, and more blessings are showering on this group. So it's an amazing thing.
Thank you, Sri. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you so much.
And that is actually happening also, Anu. Many times we have something, and believe me, I am getting a lot of answers when there is a question through this forum. So very blessed to be part of the group. And once again, my gratitude, Anu, for doing such a wonderful job.
Can we give this gratitude to all the ascending masters? Because to be really honest,
Yeah.
if I was doing it, it
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Hats to you. Thank you, Vijayji.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you for that.
Thank you,
message.
Vijay ji, also
Anuji
for
is doing
giving
so
this
great
message.
work ना. मैं पहले कुछ दिन सोचता था what Anuji is doing every night. She is spending so much time 9:30 बजे से what she is doing. But then I could understand what the work she was doing, and there were so many divine forces and angelic realm working behind her that is making her to do all this work. And we are so thankful to her and gratitude to those masters as well, because she's doing an amazing work. Let's go to the topic. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you really for acknowledging. Thank you, everybody.
Anu, I just want to pitch in.
Yes, please.
My Sena has come in over here, heading with Kimia.
Mhm.
I've got Smita Gore from Indore. I've got Sangeeta Rajesh Shetty. She's from Nasik. Swaroop has come from Andhra Pradesh.
Wow. Wow.
So these are my Sena, and you know, we all work effectively together.
Wow. We have
Like if
today
I am,
here,
they
Divine
handle
Love.
most of my work together.
Wow. Wow. Brilliant. And if they want,
Rhythm is missing, as you know him, right? Rhythm Vagolikar. He's
Yes.
missing, but I don't know, he's supposed to log in.
I
So
think
these are
he
all
was
these
there
people
somewhere.
whom they work very effectively.
Wow.
So
Wow.
I'm happy,
Welcome,
and
everybody.
my guest for tonight is Ishwankar, on demand, on demand.
Wow.
Kiran,
Let's go to the
आपके
next.
बच्चे कहाँ पे हैं?